Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we explore African flavors. So let's make this sumptuous Coca-Cola turkey together. Yeah, you heard me, Coca-Cola. But before we get into the video, do not forget to click on the subscribe button. So guys, to make this, you need your dark soy sauce, your oyster sauce, any sort of oyster sauce you have, and your ketchup like I did in this video, and some chili pepper. You mix together in a bowl like I'm doing right now. After which, you get your properly washed turkey, and do not forget to dump out every liquid or water in it. Combine your sauce and turkey together and mix immensely. And after doing this, you cover up to soak for about 20 minutes thereabouts. Yeah, do all to take your time to mix it properly like I'm doing in this video, because I want my turkey to taste very delicious and taste very well. So I have to, take my time in mixing it properly. So it's over 20 minutes here, and I'm back to heat my turkey in a pan with the help of some oil. Just a little bit of oil in your pan, and then you go in with your turkey to fry a little bit. And on a medium heat, I'm frying my turkey, and I went in with a little bit of onions and a reasonable amount of garlic and ginger. Make sure you don't add too much garlic and ginger, because you don't want your garlic and ginger to overshadow your turkey, right? So do well to add just a little bit of it, and then continue to stir so it doesn't get burnt. Stir properly, stir continually until it is ready. And now, my people, it is time to go in with our Coca-Cola. Yeah, we go in with our Coca-Cola, and then we cover up and allow it to boil down. Once it's done, our Coca-Cola turkey is ready, my people. This recipe is fire. Let me know if you'll be trying this at home, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.